I'm 46. I'm currently living in UK. I'm originally from Romania, and somehow I got to this clinic, and so far so good. We got excellent service regarding whatever things you think you're gonna solve, and obviously a big role was the Google reviews. So because this clinic, Myra, has a lot of reviews, we thought we're not gonna go wrong, and it's true. We got what says on the envelope. Everything was exactly what you expect of this clinic. My wife did research online, so we want to shoot two rabbits with one bullet. So the idea first we've thought of Istanbul or location somewhere, and then we said why we don't go to this area, and we're gonna have holidays and dentists as well. And we did an email just asking some questions. We given the prices, average prices, what you're gonna do. But again, they said we need to see you obviously to do all the research what we need. And then we did the research and found out what I can keep in my mouth, what I need to remove it, and make a dental implant of the tooth to have a perfect bite and whatever other issue you're gonna have. They give you all the options, basic, medium, the extra one, and obviously you're gonna try to do your best to accommodate quality with stuff. So we had exactly what we request, and the time, it was the best what you can get, because the time is very important for everybody. It's no other hidden fees, which is very important. You're not gonna, what you agree on will remain as. So you're not gonna have different promise that whatever you sign on that contract. So exactly, everything is smooth. That's the idea. So on the first visit last year, I got crowns. Yeah. So I have a lot of crowns on my tooth, and I have some tooth that need to be removed. So then I removed 2 tooth, and then I have an implant. Yeah. And then I need to wait another 6 months to fit in the bond, and then I came back this year to finish the job. It was what needed to be done, very efficient. Efficiency is the key word, and experience. Because I can tell you can go somewhere else and you're gonna have people who promise you, but they don't have experience. And in this clinic, it's not the case, because they have a lot of customers, and then with customer you get experience. So they have everything what you need here. Scanning, everything is here in one place. You don't need to go anywhere else. So that's very important. Time, efficiency. Yeah, everybody depends what you choose. I choose close to natural. My tooth is almost the natural smile. I didn't choose too white because it looks, for some people, looks good. But some people will not look as good, So I want to be close to natural, and it does suit to me. And everybody was surprised because they didn't know if they are mine or they are fake. And so because I choose the color it will fit with my skin, they are very impressed. They're like, wow, what you did, blah, blah, like, yeah. So yeah, and the shape, I choose the same shape I had before, so it will fit to my physiology. So I could choose the square tooth, but I don't like it. Maybe a different face will fit, but not on my face. So I choose what I already have. No, the price is, it's, so at least three times, yeah? Price is 3 times at least, yeah? And then will be the time, which you don't have. Now, obviously, you can do it in your home, whenever you can. But over here, you can combine holidays with the treatments. And they will transport you from the hotel to the dentist, and the price is good, but not only the price, it's the quality. I'm interested, the price obviously, but it needs to be the standard of the work. That's very important to me, because I don't want to do too many times. So I didn't have any issue with the crowns which I made, So I didn't have issue with the infection or whatever. So I can say and recommend from the bottom of my heart that Myra does stand to quality. They did what we expect them to do, even more, very friendly, you know. They are proud what they're doing, because I feel good. I saw the quality. My wife wants to see how it developed, and then she started doing as well the, you know, stuff, because she saw how would I develop in a year time, and every time she would look at me, how every single one, how they are inspected. Yeah, I was the first victim, obviously, always. I took the bullet for the family, and she was happy with, again, the price, the friendliness, the quality, all those things together make you come back and recommend. Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate you that you did a great job. That's more important. That's why I came out here, to have a good smile again and to be happy with the result.